Hi everyone, I hope you've had another great week. This week I'm going to share with you a really cool idea to come up with a 6-point plan. Maybe you've been struggling to get a plan for yourself or your team, and planning, perhaps the thought of planning is a bit onerous. Well, actually there's a really cool way to come up with that, and I'll share with that in a minute. But first of all, I just wanted to say, look, the idea in sport of having a scoreboard is so you know whether you're winning or not. Also, it'll also tell you what you need to do in order to win. So if you're 2-0 down, you probably need to score 4 goals in order to win, assuming that you might let one more in the meantime. Certainly if you score 3, you'll win, as long as you don't let any more goals in, if we're using the football analogy. So in order for us to move forward and win, we're probably going to need to have a plan. So coming back to the 6-point plan, one of the things that's really good to do, and as I say, you can use this on your business or maybe within a department within your business, is ask people to list the current challenges they're having. What is the challenges they're having, or where are the opportunities that can move your business forward? Once you've got a list, let's say you've got 10 things on that list, then we can score them from 1 to 10. 10, which are the items that are going to have the biggest positive impact? Maybe it's a reduction in cost or expenditure, maybe it's new market opportunities that's going to move you forward. If you get 2 of those that are scoring the same, maybe there's a 10, maybe there's a 9, and there's 2 8s that you've scored, then take those 2 8s to a final. Which one of those 2 would you score 8.5? And of those, then you do that for those that are tied, and then that will enable you to get your clear 1, 2, 3 in terms of the 3 most important. Once you've got those 3 most important ideas or challenges set out, then you can say, right, the top one, let's come up with 3 action points that's going to move that forward. And I love the saying, if not you, who? If not now, when? So let's look at those actions. Who's going to do it, and when is it going to be done by? Then let's move to the item that was the second one that was going to help you the most move your business forward. Come up with 2 actions for the second one. And then for the third one, come up with 1. That way we've got a very clear 6-point action plan with 50% of those actions focusing on the item that's going to have the biggest impact on your business. So it's a great simple tool, I think, to use, or use it with clients. We use it within our business. It's something that I think you can implement and get some real value from. So have a great week, and I'll see you next week. If you'd like to get some great ideas that may help move your business forward, we're actually running a business mastery seminar next Tuesday night at Ransom Wood. It's 5 o'clock till about 6:30, and we're going to cover the 6 steps to build a great business, but also a really good framework called 5 Ways, which will implement growth in your business. From that, we'll talk about a number of strategies and processes and ideas that you can implement and take away in your business. So that might be a great way to get some of these ideas that you can build into your 6-point plan. So if you want to come along to that seminar, they're really practical. You'll come away with some great strategies. Please sign up in the link below.